Well, as you can see, there's a lot going on here. So let's take a look at a few other areas inside the building. So we're here on the first floor of the Hunt Cancer Center building, where we will have services through our Cancer Resources Department at the hospital. The building overall has 27 exam rooms and physician work areas immediately adjacent. And something we don't talk about very often is design for staff. And where we're filming right now is actually going to be the staff lounge area with a lot of natural light. And it will be especially meaningful to this crew because currently they have their respite in a basement area with no natural light at all. Well, let's take a look on the second floor and check out the services that we have upstairs. This is the second floor waiting room where we'll have about 30 seats for patients and folks accompanying them while they're waiting for services. So why don't we go take a closer look at the infusion bays? We're up on the second floor of the Hunt Cancer Center building, and the majority of the floor taken up by these 32 infusion bays. The bays are very large and they allow for a substantial recliner for the patient and also guest seating. We'll have really some nice finishes up here to help with the environment and the feeling as patients are receiving treatment. Well, thank you for joining us today, and I hope you found our update today on the Hunt Cancer Center interesting. Please stay tuned for more updates on the Hunt Cancer Center project.